Today, we're gonna make catfish croquettes using fillets from Superior Catfish. Let's get going. First step to this dish is gonna be to poach these fillets. The reason we're poaching these fillets today is because I want them to quickly cook all the way through while maintaining their sweet, mild flavor. Now that our water is at a full rolling boil, I'm gonna turn it from high heat all the way down to medium-low, squeeze in and add this half a lemon into the pot. Our poaching liquid is made, now it's time to add our catfish fillets. Let this simmer for 10 to 15 minutes or until the fish is cooked through. One way you can tell your catfish is cooked through is it'll go fully white and it will start to flake. After 10 minutes, our fish is done cooking. It's time to start assembling these cakes. The base of these cakes is gonna be a 1/4 cup of mayo. To that, I'm gonna add about a tablespoon or so of chopped up capers with a little bit of caper juice. Next, I'm gonna add a tablespoon or so of Dijon mustard. To this mixture, I'm gonna add half of a grated shallot. For a binder, I'm gonna use 1 whole egg. Next, we're gonna add a whole sleeve of buttered crackers. You can use any type of cracker you like. Now that our crackers are added, it's time to add in our 2 5-ounce catfish fillets. I'm trying to maintain these chunks as large as I can because I want chunks of catfish. I'm gonna add half a lemon on top, and I'm gonna add about a teaspoon and a half of seasoning. I have the classic seafood seasoning, onion powder, garlic powder, salt, pepper, and thyme. It's important not to overmix this because we wanna maintain those large chunks of catfish spread out. I have a pan on medium-high heat with a tablespoon of butter and oil that are all melted. Since we can't taste these raw, I'm gonna make a small cake and cook it and taste for seasoning. Now that our cake is done cooking, I'm gonna let it cool and taste for seasoning. The cake tastes really good, but I'm gonna add a hint more lemon juice and cook up the rest of them. I'm gonna divide these into 3 or 4 equal-sized cakes, cook them for 2 to 3 minutes aside, and they'll be good to go. The other side is done cooking. I plated up the croquettes with a little bit of parsley and comeback sauce, and that is my reinvention of a classic croquette using Superior Catfish fillets. For this recipe and others, be sure to visit superiorcatfish.com.